Hi guys, welcome back to Lovely Nature channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. So today we'll be mixing this hair grease. So we have here castor oil. So castor oil is a very good oil, and then I have here my hair grow oil that I mixed together. The video is already on my channel. Also my DIY oil. So the next thing is my meat oil. So the video is already on my channel as well. I have my Indian hemp seed oil, which I've been using lately, and I really love this oil a lot. So I also make a video on this, on how I use it on my hair. If you have not seen it, I will try to leave it at the description box below. So now I have all my oil. So the next thing I'm going to be mixing my grease with this oil. So guys, my first grease is the Do Grow hair fertilizer. So this hair fertilizer is very good for hair grow, like it's good to grow a long and strong hair. So the next is my sulfur 8 hair grease to treat your hair like a dandruff or any other scalp issue. So next I have my virgin hair fertilizer, which is really good for hair growth, guys. This product is a stay put for me because I love it so much. So the next thing is my kuza 100% India hemp. So this product right here is a very good product that, so guys, this kuza 100% hair grease is a very good product. So I love to use it on my scalp a lot because it's so good, and it's so good for your scalp, and it's also good to promote hair growth. So mixing this with the rest ingredients, like the rest ingredient that I have already have before, is a plus for me, guys, because this kuza is really good for hair growth. Like if you have not tried this kuza Indian hemp hair grease before, guys, please just go and check it out. You will not regret trying it because it's a very good product. It treats dandruff, it treats itchy scalp, and as well contributes to hair growth. Guys, this is 100% Indian hemp. As you can see, there is India seed inside that you can really see it visible inside this hair grease. So now I'm just going to mix everything together. Then I'm going to transfer it into this my open jug here. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you. If you just subscribe to my channel, God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. And if you are here for the first time, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So guys, now I've done mixing everything together. This is how my hair grease is looking like now. I'm just going to use this for my pre-put treatment, guys. If you have not seen that video where I use hair grease as a pre-put treatment, guys, I will leave it at the description box below. Just go and check it out, guys. When you use this to pre-put your hair, when you wash your hair the next day, your hair is going to be super soft and super moisturized. Trust me, I love to use grease on my hair, so I use it anyhow. I just want to use it. I use it as a pre-put anyhow. I just want to use it, and this is really good. Like this putting together, like mixing all this powerful hair grease together, guys, you can imagine how your hair is going to react to this product, plus the DIY oils and all the oils that I mix with it, guys. I just like it's going to be so powerful. I'm confused, this baby here is confusing me. So guys, it's going to be really powerful for hair growth. I'm going to be using it as a pre-put treatment. It's like 2 months now, no, 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks I've not washed my hair. So I just decided to, I just like kind of busy somehow, so I just decided to just allow my hair to rest for a while. So now I'm just going to pre-put my hair. Then the next day I'm going to wash my hair. So guys, this can really keep your hair moisturized when you wash your hair the next day. So if you have a very dry hair that is so dry, just try use grease as your pre-shampoo. Use it a day before you wash your hair, then wash it out the next day with a very good shampoo that you know that can cleanse your hair and your scalp, and you are going to love the result. Like everything is going to be marama. So now I'm just going to apply to my hair. I will just brush it, then I will just twist it. There's nothing much, there's nothing less, as you can see. Just twist it just the normal way, guys. So please guys, pardon the background noise. Oh, this baby is making noise. So guys, this hair grease is not just for your people. You can also use it just your normal. Maybe you want to do your braid or your twist or protective style. You can also use this. So it's not only for your pre-poo treatment, you can use it as a protective style as well on your hair. And also, so guys, now I am done. As you can see, my hair is so shiny. Imagine just leaving this on your hair. Like your hair is going to be so marvelously bumpy, growing fasting and steady. So guys, this is just going to be the end of today's video. The next time after washing my hair, I'm going to also use this to braid my hair and just allow my hair to rest, because I still have a lot left over. So I'll be using that after washing my hair. I will just put my hair in a protective style. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.